Good morning, students. Book Mathematic Primos. Subtraction, घटाव. नाविका has 5 oranges. नाविका के पास कितने ऑरेंजेस हैं? 5. 5 संतरे. Her sister मान्या eats 2 oranges. उसकी बहन मान्या ने 2 खा लिए. 5 में से 2 खा लिए. तो उसके पास कितने बचे? चलिए देखते हैं कैसे. ठीक है. We see that when 2 oranges take away from 5 oranges, only 3 oranges are left. That is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Navika has 5 oranges. Her sister Manya eats 2 oranges. How many oranges left with Navika? 3. 5 subtraction 2 minus 2 is equal to 3. The sign of subtraction is this. The sign of subtraction is this. And it is read as minus. Subtraction को हम क्या कहते हैं? माइनस. और कैसे लगाते हैं? ऐसे. ठीक है. There are 7 apples on the tree. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many apples? 7. 7 apples. 3 apples fall off. From 7 apples, 3 apples falls. 1, 2, 3. 7 सेब से 3 गिर गए. 4 apples are left on the tree. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also written as 7 apples minus 3 apples is equal to 4 apples. Okay? कितने apples थे? कितने सेब? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. और कितने गिर गए? 1, 2, 3. 3 गिर गए. तो कितने बच गए? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Count, subtract and write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write here 4. Count. 1, 2. How many? 2. This is the sign of minus. The sign of subtraction. Okay? There are 4 and there are 2. 1, 2. How many? We have cut the 1 and 2. Now count them. 1, 2. How many left? Only 2. Next question. How many hands are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. We will not count them. Okay? इसको हम नहीं करेंगे काउंट क्योंकि ये अलग है. यहाँ तक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many hands? 7 hands. Okay? Now count them. How many hands are there in this portion? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hands. Okay? There are some 7 and there are 4. Let's cut 4 hands. We have to subtract, we have to minus 4. So we will cut 4 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of hands, count them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many hands left? Only 3 hands left. Okay? Okay. There are some zips. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many zip? 6. Now here only 1. How many zip we have to? Less or minus? Only 1. Then we will cut one zip here. Now count the rest of zip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हमारे पास कितनी थी? 6 जिपें थी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और यहाँ पर एक जिप है. तो हमने कितनी कम करनी है? एक जिप को. तो इसलिए एक को हमने पहले ही काट दिया और जो बची है उनको हमने कैसे करना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो हमारे पास कितनी जिप बची? 5. Then we will write here only 5. Okay. Now look at the butterflies. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 butterflies flying there. Okay. Now in other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies. We will write here 4. Okay. Out of 5, how many butterflies we have to less? 4. How many? 4. Out of 5 we have to less 4. Then we will cut 4 butterflies here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have cut 4. We have less 4 out of 5. Now count the rest of butterfly here. Only 1. Only 1. We have left only 1. Okay. Now there are some candies. First we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candies are there. 8 candies. Okay. Now how many candies we have to less? 1 and 2. We will write here 2. Okay. Out of 8 candies, how many candies we have to less? Only 2. So we will cut only 2 candies. 1 and 2. Now what we have to do? Just we have to do. Yes, we have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write the answer 6. Okay. हमारे पास कितनी टॉफ़ीज़ थी? 8. हमने कितनी गिनी है? 8. और हमने कितनी कम करनी है? 2. 8 में से 2. Out of 8, we have to less 2 candies. So we have cut the 2 candies here already. Okay. Now rest of candies we have to count. जो बची है candies उनको हमने count करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Now there are some caps. Let's count. How many caps? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4 caps. Now how many caps are there in this portion? 1, 2, 3. We will write the number 3. हमें 4 कैप्स में से 3 कैप्स हटानी है, मतलब कम करनी है. तो हम लोग कैसे कम करते हैं? 1, 2, 3. अब हमें क्या करना है? जो बची हुई कैप है उसको गिनना है. We have to count the rest of caps. So we have only 1 cap left. Yes. So answer is only 1 cap. Okay. So this is subtraction. How we do subtraction? The sign of subtraction is this, and we call it also minus. Okay. हमारे पास जितनी चीज़ें हैं उसमें से हम जब कम करते हैं तो उसके पास जो जितनी बचती हैं उसको हम कहते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके. Subtract the objects in the box and match them to answers on the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कितनी? 8 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितनी? 5. ओके. वन 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओके. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to cut 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rest of books 1, 2, 3. The answer is equal to 3. Now we have to match this number to them. Where is 3? The answer is 3, so we have to match the 3. Okay? The 3 is okay? Done? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. If we will cut 3, 1, 2, 3, then the left is 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Now match the 4. Okay? This is 4. Now candies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. कितनी कैंडीज कम करनी है हमने? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now join them with. Okay. Now balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We have to cut 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. And the rest balloon is only 1. So answer is 1. Now match 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. How many we have to less? 2 only. 1, 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Okay. There are mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितनी कम करनी है? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 1, 2. Only 2 left. Okay. So match with the 2. Okay. Done.